Hey, what's going on, guys? It's DJ here at Motomember Select, your largest Can-Am Spyder dealer here in the U.S., located in Purcellville, Virginia. And as always, thank you guys for checking out my YouTube channel, Spyder Sense Riding. And the whole purpose of me making this channel is so I can educate the Spyder community on my different tips, tricks, and hacks and overall product knowledge. If I have the information, I want to make sure I share it with you guys. And today, we're going to be removing the top case off a Spyder RT Limited and also give you an idea of how to install the top case if you're working with the base RT. If you have an RT Limited like this one here in the Marsala Red, once you remove the top case, one thing you want to make sure you note or actually do is purchase a rear panel, because once you take this top case off, you want to make sure it has a nice sleek look, and by adding a rear panel, you'll cover it up. By cover it up, I just mean the link queue system that's underneath, and you can also get a color matching rear panel. So if this is the Marsala Red, if you have a petrol metallic blue or a hyper silver, you can get the same color rear panel to make it a little bit more of a sleek look. If you are working with a base RT, that model already comes standard with the rear panel. So at that point, you'll be popping the panel off and you're going to be purchasing an RT top case, and you'll be able to apply in the same video that I'm going to show you guys here today. So first things first, to actually take the top case off, you want to go ahead and unlock it. So we open up the top case here. You want to grab the access tool or the key that's located inside the top case. There's a little section where you can actually store this. And down in the top case, you're going to notice a little section where this tool or this key will go. You're going to see there's going to be some symbols on unlock and a lock symbol, and that's going to let you know what direction to turn the key to either unlock or lock the top case. And in this scenario, first things first, we got to unlock it. So we're going to put in that little section, and we're going to turn to the left where the unlock symbol is. You hear that click? That lets you know the top case is unlocked. Go ahead and drop the lid down. And from here, you can actually lift up the top case a little bit. It won't go past a certain point, but that does let you know the top case has been unlocked. Down here at the bottom, right above this reverse light, and at the bottom of the top case, you're going to notice a little push button. There's going to be 3 ridges. From here, when you lift up the top case a little bit, you want to push in on those 3 ridges. And that's going to bring the top case up even further. And now we can actually go ahead and take the top case off completely. So you want to get a good grip because it is pretty heavy. So grab the bottom of the top case, grab the back of this passenger arm backrest. You want to lift up and out at the same time. And just like that, the top case comes right off. Go ahead and drop it down. So again, if you're working with an RT Limited, you want to go ahead and grab that rear panel and go ahead and put it on right here. Or if you are working with a base RT, you know, you would have took the rear panel off, and we're in the same position we are in right now just before we install the top case. But just before we do that, something that I didn't note, and just to make it easier for the video, I did disconnect this wire right here, or this connector, which is how you connect the brake light to the top case. But you want to make sure you go ahead and disconnect that before you take the top case off. And of course, while the top case is on and before you close it all the way down, you want to make sure it's connected so you have brake light functionality. But from here, guys, it's a very sleek look. Can-Am did a really great job of making this look really neat and really clean. But again, if you have an RT Limited, you want to go ahead and put your rear panel on now and put your top case to the side in storage or whatever it is. Or if you are working with a base RT, you just pop the rear panel off, and now we're in that position of the video or that step. So to put it back on, again, you always want to make sure you get a good grip on this top case. It's always better to be working with 2 people, but since I'm by myself, it's a perfect example of letting you know that you can do this by yourself. So the brackets that you can see here, you'll line those up with a little section that you'll see on each side of the Spyder. And I'll make sure I show photos in this video. That way you can actually see exactly what I'm doing here. But when the top case is in this position, you want to slide it forward until it gets into those brackets, just like that. And from here, the top case won't allow you to drop all the way down, because what you have to do is go back to that push button where those 3 ridges are, lift it up a little bit, and push in on that push button. From here, the top case will drop all the way down. You'll notice that it's a very sleek look and very clean. So to lock it, we want to go ahead and open up the top case again. It should be in the same position that it was in before when you locked it. When you unlock it, it should be in this position. And when we lock it now, we want to turn it to the right, and you'll notice that there is a symbol for the lock symbol. So put in that little section and turn it to the right. You hear that click. Go ahead and drop the lid down. And for the peace of mind, go ahead and push on those 3 ridges of that little push button there. It shouldn't move. And that should let you know that the top case is 100% locked in, and you are good to go. But guys, that is how you remove and reinstall a top case on a Spyder RT Limited or a base RT. And if you guys had no idea that that can be done, like it, share it, subscribe to the video, share it with a buddy. If you have any questions, please reach out. This was a highly requested video, and I'm finally glad I was able to do it. I previously dropped a video on how to do the same thing on an F3 Limited, but today I thought I'd do the RT side. But again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. My name is DJ, and thank you guys for watching.